In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex on Pocket Option. By the end, you'll know how to move from funding your account to placing your first buy order with confidence. First, open the Pocket Option platform in your browser and sign in. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection so charts and orders update smoothly. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see the main controls that we'll use throughout this walkthrough. Next, click on Top Up. Here, decide whether you want to practice on a demo account or trade with a real account. A demo account is perfect for getting comfortable without risking real money. If you choose a real account, you'll need to deposit funds before you can place trades. Deposit methods and limits can vary by region, so review the options carefully and only add what you're prepared to risk. Now, head to Trading. This opens the trading workspace where you'll access charts, instruments, and order controls. Take a moment to orient yourself. You should see the market watch list, the price chart, and an orders panel. For this tutorial, select the Forex MT5 Real account. The MT5 environment gives you a robust charting experience and fast execution. If you're still learning, you can mirror these steps on a demo MT5 account to build confidence first. Choose the instrument you want to trade, such as a currency pair or a crypto asset. If you're new, major currency pairs like EUR/USD or GBP/USD tend to have tighter spreads and deep liquidity. Check the chart time frame, note the current trend, and be mindful of upcoming news events that can drive volatility. Crypto trades around the clock and can move quickly, so size your positions accordingly. Go to the orders section and enter the amount you want to invest in this trade. This number controls your exposure, so start small while you're learning. Double-check the amount, confirm the instrument and chart direction, and make sure everything aligns with your plan before you proceed. When you're ready, click Buy to open a long position. A buy order means you expect the price to rise. Watch how the position appears in your terminal and how profit and loss update as the market moves. If your analysis is correct and price climbs, your trade will reflect that. If it doesn't, consider what you'll adjust next time: position size, timing, or instrument choice. That's it. You went from funding options to the MT5 workspace to selecting a market and placing a buy order. Practice on demo first, keep your risk modest, and always trade responsibly. This walkthrough is for education, not financial advice.